Hey, curious minds, ready to unbox your next big find? Every episode of Unbox Solutions with Me dives deep into Amazon gems, smart hacks, and surprising solutions you might not know existed. From combat boots to kitchen gadgets, we unbox them all, up close, unfiltered, and just for you. Tag along as we refresh, relax, and renew your everyday routine, one product at a time. Catch new episodes every Tuesday on YouTube at My Coach Ministry. Hit subscribe, smash that bell, and never miss a reveal.
All right. Unbox Solutions with me. It's another welcome back to Unbox Solutions with me. And thank you so much for staying with me so far, for liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing. Thank you so much for your support. And thank you so much for being a repeat viewer, repeat subscriber, and you keep coming back. And I just want to say thank you for that. Okay, so for today in our unboxing segment, here we go. All right, hang on here. This is what we're unboxing today. So today we're unboxing. Yeah, right now I'm removing my personal information. Remember, always remove your personal information. Also wear gloves, or sanitize your hands after unboxing. Yes. All right, so today, what are we unboxing? There we are, some shirts and a watermelon too. So all right, so this what I'm unpacking right now, unveiling. This is our women's V-neck short sleeved top. Yes, simple, soft, honest. But you know what I really liked about this? The material, really soft, really soft, comfort. Draped you in, it's just comfort that drapes you in confidence. Because being you doesn't need filters. There we go. I really like this blouse. I love the softness. Yeah, I love the colors. Yeah, and I definitely wanted these tops because I didn't really have any V-neck tops, and I wanted something that I could just quickly put on and go about my business, go about my day. And I don't have to worry about ironing or anything like that, and it still looks nice. And I love the patterns because, you see, I'm a full-figured person. I'm a fat person, so I like things that when I put it on, and it doesn't make me look worse than I am. Let's put it that way. Or it doesn't make me look bigger than I am, so to speak. And this one is the black of the same V-neck, so they're both the same type of tops. Really like them. Plus size, very comfortable, and they fit they're not loose, but they're not tight. They just fit me comfortably. And this now that I have here is a stainless steel 2-in-1 watermelon fork slicer cutter, which I really like. So meet your summer hero. Part fork, part slicer, full genius. It glides through melon with surgical precision, but with a wink. It's a tool that lets you carve beauty and joy from the everyday. Yeah. I really like this because I'm a food ASMR artist, and I like to from time to time eat fruits, and sometimes what I'm eating is like a half a melon, and I find that I'd like to have one tool that I can use to cut and eat at the same time, rather than having multiple utensils around me. It's just easy to just have one. But also when you're cutting your fruits, because for me, when I buy my fruits, I don't leave them whole in the refrigerator because they spoil. I like to cut them up and store them properly so they don't spoil. So this for me is a very handy tool. It was well needed, and I've already used it. Fantastic. It really is a solution. Sometimes we have these little things, we see these little things, or we have these little hiccups, and we think, what's the point in getting something for just this? Believe you me, it's worth it. especially if you are someone who does storage, so you're going to be cutting up your fruit a lot, or someone who you eat on camera and you want to make it interesting and you want to make it look fascinating. This works. So I really liked it for that purpose. So those are the three items that I'm unboxing today, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I'm really happy I made these purchases. They really made a difference in my life. Yeah, happy purchase, absolutely. And now we're gonna go on to the tip for the day. All right, so here is our unboxing tip for today. If I can find it, it's right where. Okay, here we are. Unbox with intention. Connect the product to a purpose. Instead of just showing what's inside, share why it matters and how it can improve someone's day, week, or workflow. For example, if you're unboxing a stainless steel watermelon slicer, pair it with a quick, healthy summer recipe or a reminder about staying hydrated. Yeah. I'm telling you, and this is really honest. This is not just for the show. When I eat a lot of watermelon, especially like now that it's in the summer, and I'm telling you, having just one tool, because usually I want to have it do it when I'm having, if I'm not eating it for recording, if I'm not recording what I'm eating, I want to watch television while I'm eating, right? And sometimes I just have too many utensils. I genuinely bought this because I saw it on a TikTok video and I'm like, no, I need this. I need this. And having used this, it's real. And it's not just for watermelon. I use it for my mangoes. It's really helpful because it just have this one thing and just makes it interesting too. I like when I'm eating and it's playful and interesting. Anyway, yeah. That way, the moment isn't just about stuff. It's about solutions. Viewers walk away not only entertained, but empowered to use what they have for real impact. The best unboxings don't just open boxes, they open possibilities. Thank you so much for watching Unbox Solutions with me. We're now going to go to our next segment, Free Money Wednesdays. Let's go. I love to open new packages. There will be the latest information on the top funding opportunities for entrepreneurs who are seeking funding. Come along with me. I'm Coach Racquel, and this is a passion project for me, so I'm so happy to bring this to you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching.
Unlock your potential every Thursday with our podcast, Refresh, Relax, Renew. Join Coach Racquel as she guides you through personal development journeys. Each episode focuses on actionable steps to enhance your personal journey. The podcast features 3 main segments to keep you engaged. We start with discussions on trending topics relevant to your growth. Then we unbox solutions to common challenges we face daily. Finally, stay updated with fresh funding opportunities each week. Tune in every Thursday for new episodes, and see you there.